Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Dr. Hambali bin Bojang, our lecturer for subject Rapid Manufacturing. Hi, my name is Muhammad Abid bin Fakul Azman from BMMD 1/1. This video is about slide presentation for our project Bevel Cutter. Before I start, let me introduce my fellow teammates, Muhammad Ridwan, Muhammad Haziq Iqmal, and Muhammad Syami Zarif. So this slide is content with first introduction, problem statement, objective, methodology, result, discussion, and a conclusion. So I'm going to start with the introduction. What is bevel cutter? Bevel cutter is a cutter that being used to cut a thin and soft material such as rubber and styrofoam. The cutter used to cut the material to form a shape with dimension. But with the existing bevel cutter, it's really hard to cut a round and curvy shape with a precise accuracy. So this project is aimed to study and improve the existing product to solve the problem. So I will give to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, and I will continue with problem statement, objective and methodology. So for the problem statement, first is difficult to cut multiple angle in both straight and curved line. Not enough accuracy for the angle to cut. Limitation for cutting blade to cut material. And then adjective, to ease the cutting process for curve or round shape, to improve the accuracy when cutting the object, to add variety for the cutting blade. And then for the methodology is, first one is we create and design our 3D model using SolidWorks. Then we save the file in STL format so that it can be used for animated prototyping process in a Cura Ultimaker. Before save the file in STL format, we can choose the resolution of the part, which is in XC or binary, and the resolution like coarse and fine. So the process slicing can be done in Cura Ultimaker, and it will tell the time taken for the each part to be done. Post-processing technique supporting material is to improve surface quality, and then finish 3D printed, and then finish already for the prototyping. So we can see the other side, the flow of the process: 3D CAD modeling, 3D printing, and finishing and production. And that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ridwan bin Ramzi. In this slide design comparison, I will present about existing design and new design of bevel cutter product. In the left side, the existing design product of bevel cutter has only one angle, while the right side of the new design product bevel cutter has two angles. If we can see at the market, the bevel cutter has only one angle, while our group or our team design a new bevel cutter has two angles, which is 30 degree and 60 degree. We design this new bevel cutters so that the users of bevel cutter can make their work properly. I will present CAD part and drawing of our new product, bevel cutter. What is CAD part? CAD part can make 3D modeling, while drawing can come out in SolidWorks with dimension. What is the function of adjust pin? Adjust pin prevent the blade from slippery at the placement. This is the CAD part and drawing of our new design product, bevel cutter base adjust. What is the function of base adjust? To make the blade move easily on the base, It also adjusts the blade height. This is the cat part and drawing of base. What is the function of base? To place the properly at the platform such as rail. This is our last cat part and drawing for our new design bevel cutter, which is called handle. What is the function of handle? To make the users to perform the cutting process for curve or round shape.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Next, I will continue the next part, which is 3D printed part and build time. I will explain one by one for each part build time. First of all, for the adjust pin parts, it is only took 36 minutes and the mass is 8 grams. Then, base adjust parts took 59 minutes and the mass is 12 grams. For the base part took 11 hours and 36 minutes. It is long duration compared to all parts. Last one is handle parts. It is only took 7 hours and 26 minutes and the mass is 121 grams. Next, I will explain the number of triangle, file format, orientation, duration, mass, and speed in this discussion. All these parts have different number of triangles, duration, and mass. From our product have 4 separate parts, which is adjust pin, base adjust, base, and handle. For adjust pin and base adjust are 708 and 216 number of triangle respectively. Also, the orientation for adjust pin is y-axis 90 degree. Next, the number of triangle for base and handle are 128 and 224 respectively. The orientation for handle is x-axis 90 degree and z-axis 45 degree, which means the duration took 7 hours and 26 minutes, shorter than no orientation adjustment. The speed that we use is fast 0.2 mm process. This is because less time configuring settings, speed up adaptation, simplify 3D workflow, save significant time, and wide range of application. Now, I will show the exploded view, assembly, and the rendering of our product. The exploded view is the separated between the parts which is contain base, base adjust, handle, and adjust pin. The assembly is the combination of the separated parts to become a product. The rendering is the color adjustment to make product more aesthetics. So, this is our result for final render. We choose this background because it is suitable for our product. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, for our last slide is conclusion. First, advance in 3D printing technology can significantly change and improve the way we manufacture product and produce goods worldwide. Second, 3D printing on the other hand can enable fast, reliable, and repeatable means of producing tailor-made product which can still be made inexpensively due to automation of processes and distribution of manufacturing needs. For the last conclusion is, if the last industrial revolution brought us mass production and the advent of economy of scale, the digital 3D printing revolution could bring mass manufacturing back a full circle to an era of mass personalization and a return to a individual craftsmanship. Thank you for listening and watching our presentation. Our group really appreciate it. Assalamualaikum, stay safe and stay at home.